Hi, I am Parika. In this video, we learn how to make the SignIn app in Python by using of its intermediate topics like OOPS concept, regular expression, iteration, recursion, random library file. Let's see with structure of this project. Here, first of all, I have imported all the modules related to this project. Then after, create one class for creating a password, and third one is the main program. In this, I have given a validation message for SignIn app. Let's start with the code. Here I have imported two modules. One is the random and second is the regular expression. Random is used to create a random password and regular expression is used to match the particular data or entered data with regular expression. I will show you how to work this. This is a class PW which is used to create our passwords. Here, alphabet length and new password is the local variable which is used in this class only. And by using of this local variable, I made a particular or I create a password. This for loops are used to create a password of 6 character. The length of password is the 6 character. Now, the next is the print statement which shows the welcome to SignIn app. This is only the header of this app. Then first name variable is used to enter the first name, means first part of your name. If this name is in the alphanumeric form or in numeric form, at that time it gives us the validation error like enter valid characters. The re.match method is the regular expression matching method which is used to match your first name data with regular expression. D is used for alphabets only. The same thing I have given for the last name. Here you can see the same thing. Now next is the email ID. For email ID, the regular expression are different. The first W is used for alphanumeric characters, @ then second part of your mail ID like ABC, Gmail, something, and last part is the com, in, co.in. Here the same thing happened. If we entered wrong email ID, then it gives a validation message and then asked again enter the mail ID. After entering all the data, this app will show the message like your data is successfully entered. Then it shows your username and password detail like your username is the first name plus last name, means it's a combination of your first name and last name, and first name's 0 index it will take only. The PW is the object of class PW. Here I have given a class. Then A equals to PW dot new password, which is used to create a new password. Means it gives the output of new password. Then here your password is A, and after that this app sends a message like thank you for joining our app. Let's run this program. Yeah. Enter your first name. If I write down the John, then last name is Thomas. Email ID is john@abc.com. Then it gives us username is J Thomas and password is this. Okay. Then again run this program to check the validation. If I write down the 1, 2 means numerical form in the first name, then it gives a validation message and asks me again. The same thing for last name. Okay. For mail ID also, then I write down the mail ID, and here you can see. If you like this video or if you like this project, then please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share with your friends, and also comment on this. Thank you.